So I want to come here and I want to do atom dot. That will actually bring up my atom. And where I'm going to go, higher order functions. Okay, last one is reduce. So reduce is one is may take a little more memory. You know.
I don't recall even hearing about reduce.
Yeah, it's. So what reduce does is, I'm just going to do numbers. The result equals numbers dot reduce function previous, current, previous and current. We'll just do 1, 2, 3. Return. This may take you a while. You may have to see. We may have to do several examples of reduce for you to really see what it's doing. It took me a while to get reduce.
Right now, I don't know what it's supposed to do.
So we get 6. Let's show in our log what's happening here. Log. The previous is previous, and the current is current. So the first time we run this, the previous number is 1, and the current number is 2. What reduce is it needs a previous item and a current item, and it does things with both of those.
Previous
in the array.
to what?
In the array.
Okay.
So when you first run it,
What if you only have one item in your array? Then it won't work?
then it won't. There's no previous
It
in
has
it.
to be at least 2
Yeah,
in
it
the
needs to
array.
be at least
Okay.
2.
Okay.
However, if you had only one item, you can pass it an optional parameter down here. So now if I run this, the previous is 0. So if you want to start with something, then it starts with this is the current and this little thing is the previous.
Okay.
Otherwise, it needs 2 to start. So it'll start here. So this will be the current. So if I run this now, the previous is 1, the current is 2. The next time it runs, the previous is the value that was returned from the function here, which may sound a little confusing, but what happens is when you return the value in reduce, then that whatever you return becomes the previous value. So here the previous is 1, current is 2. Yeah, so then it returns previous plus current, which is 2 plus 1. So then now the previous is 3. Because the previous item is whatever we returned the last time, and the current is now 3. So it adds the 3 to the 3, and we get 6. I know, it's kind of a head trip. I don't expect you to know this one first. What we're gonna through time, we'll keep spiraling up of reduce. I think map, filter, and for each, I think you already get.
Okay.
The reduce, I'm just showing this one the first time. We'll show it again another time, and through time you'll get this.
Yeah. Okay.
So we'll stop this video with this one here.